Dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics and we are in trigonometric equations. This is 5th class. Okay. In this class, from question number 17 to 20, we will finish. Okay. See, question number 17, Eamcet 2014 question. The sum of solutions in 0 to 2 pi. That means the x value is from 0 to 2 pi. Like that you have to understand. Okay, of equation cos x into cos x pi by 3 minus x into cos x pi by 3 plus x is equal to 1 by 4 is. See, so not only solution, you have to find solution, you have to add those solutions. Sum of solutions is asking. Okay. Okay. Before proceeding, I want to write one formula. What is that formula here? Cos of a minus b into cos of a plus b is there. See what I am writing. First you observe carefully. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b is equal to cos square b minus sin square a. Okay, this formula you should know. Cos square b minus sin square a. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. You see, cos x you keep like this only. Okay, cos square b. See, cos square b. B means x minus sin square a. Sin square pi by 3. Okay, but you put in this parenthesis. Okay, but this is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4. Okay, now you apply this value. Sin pi by 3 is how much? Sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 square 3 by 4. Cos x into cos square x minus 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. Okay. Now see. First internally within the parenthesis you cross multiply. Cos x into 4 cos square x minus 3 divided by 4. But divided by 4 means multiplication is there. Is equal to 1 by 4. Shall I cancel 4? Definitely. Comma. Again you send inside. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x is equal to 1. What is this formula? Cos 3a, cos 3x. That means cos 3x is equal to 1. Okay? Cos 3x is equal to 1. Now I want to write a cos circle diagram. See, here is 1, here is minus 1, here is 0, here is 0. Okay? What is this? This is 2n pi. That's all. Exactly one has come, exactly 2n pi only how to take. What? 3x you have to take. Okay? See what I am writing now. 3x is equal to 2n pi. Okay, generalized solution I am writing, but we will take afterwards because within the 0 to 2 pi only test come. We will see step by step we have to proceed. Okay. Now we require x. Solution means x only. X is equal to 2n pi by 3. Okay. This you take like a formula. Okay. This you take like a formula. Now step by step you proceed. Why? Because see, 0 to 2 pi means within the 0 to 2 pi only it has to come. See, this is open interval. 0 you should not take, 2 pi also you should not take. Like that you have to think. Okay. Closed interval means you have to take 0 and 2 pi. But here like this not there. This is open interval. Okay. That is why 0 and this you should not take. If you apply here 0, minus you cannot apply. Why? Because less than 0 it will come. If you apply 0, totally is going to become 0. But 0 you should not take. That's why don't apply 0. If you apply 1, 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 is within the 2 pi. Okay, write down. 2 pi by 3 is one answer. Okay. Now you apply 2. 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3 also okay. Okay. If you apply 3, 3 going to get cancelled. 2 pi will come. But 2 pi should not take. Up to 2 pi you have to take. Less than 2 pi you have to take. That means 3 you should not apply. What are the values? These are the values. But these values you have to, solutions you have to sum, make sum. That means see, 2 pi by 3 plus 4 pi by 3 is equal to 3 is LCM, 6 pi by 3, 2 pi. That means your answer is 2 pi. Like this you have to solve this question. Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 18. It is a series. 1 plus sin x plus sin square x plus sin cube x up to infinity terms. But this series sum they have given 4 plus 2 3. Okay, sum they have given, and they have given x should be greater than. Let me write properly. X should be greater than 0 but less than pi. Okay, that means equal to is not there. Observe carefully. Greater than 0 but less than pi. Not equal to 0 or not equal to pi. Okay, and also x is not equal to pi by 2. Within this center value will come. 0 to pi means in between pi by 2 will come, but pi by 2 should not take. That is also the given. Then what is the value of x, like they are asking? See here, this is a geometric series. Geometric progression or geometric series. GP implies first term a is equal to 1. Okay, and common ratio r is equal to sin x by 1. That is equal to sin x. Sin square x by sin x or sin x by 1. Sin cube by sin cube. All are sin x will come. Okay. Now see, some value directly we are having one formula. S of Fn is equal to a by 1 minus r. Okay. Then a means 1 here by 1 minus r means sin x. Okay. This is the value. But they have given this value also 4 plus 2 root 3. Write down then. 1 by 1 minus sin x is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3. You cross multiply. If you cross multiply, 1 minus sin x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 2 root 3. Okay. See, we know very well when root 3 and root square root comes in the denominator, then you rationalize. Okay. See what I am doing, rationalization. 1 minus sin x is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 by 4 square minus 4 into 3. Okay. I have multiplied numerator and denominator with 4 minus 2 root 3. If that is the case, 1 minus sin x is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 divided by 16 minus 12, 4. Or else 1 minus sin x is equal to 4 by 4 is 1. This is root 3 by 2. 4 by 4 is 1. 2 root 3 by 4 is 2. 2 times goes root 3 by 2. Okay. See, 1 is there. You cancel this 1. Minus also you cancel. That means see, sin x is equal to root 3 by 2. Not plus or minus root 3. That you have to understand. Okay. See what I am writing now. Sine circle diagram is this one. But this is plus. That means plus here and here. These are the angles. What are the angles? 60 degree. That means see, this is also 60 degree. This is also from here 60 degree means 180 minus 60. That means 120 degree. Is it okay? Yes. See, from 180 to 60 it goes top means 180 minus 60, 120 degree. 60, 120 degree you have to take. Okay. Now, what I am writing, observe carefully. X is equal to, you see, this is what, see, you are having a limit also up to 0 to pi only how to take it. That means 0 to pi, only two values come. These only 60 and 120 will come. Why? Because plus root 3 by 2. 0 to 2 pi means again here also may come, but because of plus, here values will not come. That is different thing. But see, 0 to pi, 0 you should not take. Anyway we are not taking, 60 we are taking. Okay. That means see, 60 means what? Pi by 3. And 120 degree means what? 2 pi by 3. Okay. What they are asking? They are asking this one simply. Then x is equal to pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. Both. Okay. Let us go for next question. Okay. See, question number 19. Eamcet 2019 question. Little bit typical question. You have to observe carefully, or else you are not able to do this question. In triangle PQR, we know triangle, three angles will be there. PQR are the angles. PQR, we can say triangle. Let P is greater than Q. That means angle P is greater than angle Q. Okay. What will it be? If the radian measures of P and Q satisfy the equation 4 sin cube x minus 3 sin x plus a equal to 0, where a is greater than 0 but less than 1. A. Okay? Okay. Then the radian measure of R is, see, they have not given any value. Among three, they have not given any value. All three, we don't know. But only simple logic they have given. P is greater than Q they are telling, and P and Q satisfy this equation like they are telling. Even if you satisfy also directly you cannot find angle from here. You observe carefully. Okay. Then they are asking the third angle R is how much like. Okay. See how I am proceeding this here. First to solve this equation. See how I am tackling this question. 4 sin cube x minus 3 sin x plus a equal to 0. Comma I am keeping. You see, I am sending on that side except a. If I send like this, you see what will happen? 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x is equal to a. Is it okay? This is going to become plus, this is going to become minus. Now you tell me what is this formula? Sin 3a, sin 3x. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x is sin 3x. Write down that. Sin 3x is equal to a. Box it. Now go back. What they have written clearly, you see. Radian methods of P and Q both satisfy this equation. This equation only, this one. From this equation only you have brought this equation, means this equation should satisfy P and Q both. P and Q, if they satisfy, shall I write like this? See, x means here angle only. That means see, sin 3p is equal to a sin 3q is equal to a. Because I need not write, because P and Q both satisfy this equation. Is it okay? Why? Because see, in x place I will keep P, in x place I will keep Q also. Why? Because P and Q both satisfy this equation. See, this is a logical question. Unless you understand the, what we can say, background, you cannot answer this question. P and Q both satisfy this equation means this equation only we have modified. X means here value, angle only. Angle only, these P and Q's are angles. That is why sin 3p, 3x means 3p is equal to a, sin 3q is equal to a. If at all this is there, then shall I write like this? Sin 3p is equal to sin 3q. Definitely I can write. Why? Because a is equal to this thing, a is equal to this thing means I can write like this. But observe carefully, here you cannot write like this. 3p is equal to 3q. Why? Because 3 you cancel, p is not equal to q, p is greater than q. P is greater than q. When p is greater than q, 3p is greater than 3q. 3p is greater than 3q. Is it okay or not? Definitely okay. Why? Because this is a logical question. That is why I am telling, observe carefully. P is greater than q means 3p also greater, 3p, multiply both sides 3. 3p is greater than 3q. But as per this, both sin 3p is equal to 3q are same because of this, because of this, because of this. But sin 3p is not greater than this. Then how else we can solve this question then? See what I am writing now. See, sin 3p only I will write, okay. But here what I am writing, observe carefully. Sin of 180 minus 3q I will write. Is it okay? Definitely okay. You see, sin 180 minus theta, second quadrant. Okay, first quadrant 90 minus, second quadrant 180 minus. Second quadrant belongs to sine only. Sine only will come, okay. But horizontal angle, sine means sin 3q only will come. Horizontal 180, 360 like that horizontal. 90 to 70 means vertical. 180, 360 horizontal angle means it will come same. Sorry, positive only will come. First positive will come, sine only will come. Horizontal angle means sine only will come. Sin 3q only will come. See, sin 3q again has come. That means I can replace sin 3q as sin 180 minus 3q. Now you see, now you earlier 3p is not equal to 3q I have written, but now you can write like this, you see. 3p is equal to 180 minus 3q. Shall I write like this? Definitely I can write like this. Okay, now you remove sin both sides. If you remove sin, 3p is equal to 180 minus 3q. Then shall I write like this? Then 3p plus 3q is equal to 180. I am sending 3q this side. Yes, 3p plus 3q is equal to 180. That is also correct. Then shall I write like this? P plus q is equal to 180 by 3. Why? Because 3 I have taken common and divided by 180. That means P plus Q will be 60 degree. Understand the logic? But even though you don't know P and Q separately, but P plus Q you know. P plus Q you know means or you can find easily. Why? Because inside the triangle total degrees is 180 degree. That means R is equal to 180 minus P plus Q. Okay, that is equal to 180 minus 60. That is equal to 120 degrees. This 120 degrees you can write 2 pi by 3 also. Okay, pi by 3 means 60 into 2, 120 degree. Understand this question? This is a logical question, or else you are unable to do. Okay, let us go for next question. Okay, see, this question is also logical question. Unless you think logically or carefully, you are unable to solve this question also, like earlier question. You see what they have given? When A is irrational, okay, let it be. Irrational means it may be root 3 by 2 or root 3 or 1 by root 2 or 1 by root 3, whatever it may be, we don't know. Irrational means we cannot write in proper form. Okay, and the number of solutions satisfying the equation 1 plus sine square ax is equal to cos x. You see, A is irrational. 1 plus sine square ax is equal to cos x, like they are telling. Okay, how many solutions are there? Number of solutions, like that. Solution means x value. What is the x value, like they are telling? Okay, we know very well. I am writing something, you see, observe carefully. Cos, here I will write LHS. See what I am writing. LHS this side, RHS this side I am writing. Observe carefully. This is a logical question. Cos x is minus 1 to 1. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Why? Because it may be minus 1, it may be 1, it may be 0 also. But less than minus 1 will not come. Greater than 1 also will not come. Okay, I accepted. This side also, when both are equal means what will be there? 1 plus sine square ax also should be less than or what we can say plus 1. That means greater than minus 1 or equal to minus 1, less than 1 or minus 1. Okay, now you tell me one thing. Sine square ax always will be greater than equal to 0. Okay, we know very well. But this should be, already you are adding 1. That means sine square ax should not be less than 0. Why? Because you are squaring it. Negative number, it should not be negative number. Minus 3 means if you square, 9 will come. That is why always it should be greater than 0. That is the logic. Okay. See, then what will be the answer here? You tell me. See, something you are squaring and adding to 1 means at least 1 plus something should come. 1 plus something means maximum value will come. Minimum value will not come. Why? Because see, if this value comes less than 0, then 1 minus something is going to happen. Then only negative side will come. And also this should not come, even if it comes 0 also, sine square ax, but 0 plus 1 give 1 only. Less than 1 will not come this way. Understand? That means finally 1 plus sine square ax value is equal to 0 plus 1 at least. Okay? Why? More than 1 it will not go. Why? Because here cos x is restricting. More than 1 it cannot go. Why? Because we are putting equal to here. Then what will be the value x? X will be 0. If you apply x 0 here, cos 0 is equal to 1. If you apply x 0 is equal to here, 1 plus sine 0 is equal to 1 plus 0. That is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1, both are correct. Then how many solutions are there? One solution. X is equal to 0. That is the solution. Understand the logic? This is a logical question. Okay. Now we will stop this class. We will continue in the next class for 4 more questions. Okay. Thank you very much.